Hi guys, welcome to today's edition of Niger Electrical. On today's edition, we are going to be showing ourselves how to peel cable and how to crimp it correctly. Fortunately, today I've got my plier, I've got my peeler. It's a new device I just got, and as well I've got my crimping tool. This crimping tool looks very nice. I got it from eBay. I got this as well from eBay, and so I'm going to be showing you how to peel correctly, using how to peel and crimp correctly using this beautiful gadget. My suggestion to everybody is to shun the use of plier in peeling. You shun the use of plier. The reason is that when you peel using plier, this is how you do it, and in the course of doing that, you may injure some of the strands in the wire. So that is why I don't suggest the use of plier in peeling and in crimping as well. So what I'm saying in essence is that I've got a new gadget, a new device for doing that. This is my new crimping tool. You're gonna find it very nice to use. Have a look. Just have a look and see how beautiful the gadget is. So if you want to peel any cable, let's assume you're putting it in the right place. This is not the right place. A little bit forward. Now just see it peels it out. Let me show you once again. You cut it without you forcing the cable or trying to pull the cable. Just do it this way, and you press the two handle of the crimping tool. You see the strand? You see how beautiful it is. So now let's assume you've peeled this and you're going to crimp it with your crimps. Just pick one of the crimps. I've got quite a few here, and I'm going to be using one of them with my new crimping tool. Yeah, the crimping tool is really nice. So if you want to crimp this kind of cable, you make sure that your strands are all in this crimp, and you can decide to leave a few, the rest outside. That's what I'm saying, is that make sure it doesn't show at the back of this crimping tool, at the back of this crimp. Just put it a bit inside. Leave the rest that's outside, leave it as it. We're going to do something to it. Then you get your crimping tool. This my crimping tool is very useful, and you don't need to start sizing your crimp. Just do it this way. Press the two handle. Then you have a look. See. Do you see it's nice? Now let's try to see if it works. Now I can't pull it out. Now the next thing is, you don't leave this strand as it is. Get your plier, then cut the strands off. You see, that is the best peeling and crimping idea just for you. Again, the other side. Remember, I said you shouldn't use the plier to peel. It's not ideal for peeling. Now get your peeler. You get your peeler, put the cable inside, put it inside this way, then press. Beautiful, is it not? Yes, it really is. Then now you go ahead, get your crimp, put it in, make sure nothing shows at the back, outside. Towards this end, make sure nothing shows. Then make sure just a little is showing outside. That you can cut with your combination plier or your cutter. Now it's time to crimp. Crimping. Time to crimp. Time to crimp. Now make sure it's only the aluminum part of the crimp. that enters the crimping tool. Make sure everything enters. Leave the red portion, the plastic, out of it. Then you press the handle. Oh, that's it. That's it. Then you cut it off. Cut the strands off. Now pull. What do you feel about this? If you enjoyed this tutorial, you can like, share our YouTube video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.